everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be how to remove the instrument cluster off a Vauxhall Corsa D. So to start off with, you just grab hold of the cowling round here. That's got a couple of push fit clips on it, so you just got to give it a good old pull. So just anywhere around here, if you can grip it, this dashboard's a bit shiny. She comes. There she go. And then if you look through the bottom here, you'll see a couple of torque screws. Try and get my light down there. There you go. So start unwinding them. One. That's two. Oh, one more at the top. Look at that. Right in the middle there. That's the third one. My bad on that one. Should pull forward now. And if you look behind, got this one little multi-plug. Just push down on the tab and then pull forward on that and it pops up. And out it comes. There you go. Thanks for watching. Lovely old job.